what's up and welcome back to another vlog. This little guy is here. Today is the first day of my going back to work, so very excited to see how the day goes, because all this day we both were kind of doing it together, and now that he's going back to work, even though he'll be able to help a little, not help, I mean help, but in the sense when he's not in a meeting, I can just make the baby sit somewhere right next to him. He can be watching him something while working. But yeah, the day is beautiful. We did have some snowfall, and it did not melt yet. It's still snowy in the deck. But yeah, this baby carrier is so helpful that my hands are free. I can vlog, I can do all the work, I can eat, I can cook, I can do dishes, everything. Alright guys, so after the first feeding, I went, prepped the lunch, and then while he was just hanging out in his Mamaru swing, I prepped almost 90% of my lunch, and then back here again for the second feed of the day. Alright guys, after lunch I gave my young the baby while he was working, and then I went and took a nap because I was so sleepy, and now just made some coffee. More coffee, more strong coffee, less milk. Just to stay awake.
Yours is decaf.
Mine is decaf, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
So
this still does have a little bit caffeine though.
like 20 milligrams
Yeah.
of caffeine. That's not gonna do anything.
Exactly. But still, really need this right now.
And I'm getting him drunk here.
Yeah.
I'm just taking a 15-minute break and getting him drunk so he keeps sleeping.
Yeah. I needed that 15-minute break for him to come and feed so that I can drink my coffee. It's like this little guy is back on me again. I am making dinner. So Nitish and Ashley are coming over. They're getting some stuff, South Indian stuff. I am making sambar and chutney. And Mayang is gone. Mayang is done working, so he's gone to pick up at the Target curbside pickup, which is so convenient for us. We just love that. So yeah, I'm making sambar and then pot. Really quickly gonna make it. Look at this guy. Yes, he loves hanging around with me like this.